Okay friends, have you ever tried working on your YT studio and its save button is not working? Actually, I've experienced that a couple days ago, and I'll show you how to fix the problem. Okay, let's try first to change and edit the thumbnail. Okay, so let's try to use this screen. Okay, so let's select it. Okay, so as you can see, the save button is not enabled. Okay, so what you can do for this is, first you can go to the settings, okay, and go for the app management. Okay, okay, okay. Now what we're going to do here is we need to clear the data. Okay, clear. The cache will as well be cleared, and we force stop. Okay, now let's go and try to open the YT studio once more. Okay, get started. Okay, look for your account. Okay, in this case I'll look for Tube Rhino. Okay, I'll try to find the video a while ago. Okay, I'll try to search it. Search. Okay, okay, now let's try to change again the screen, the thumbnail. Okay, edit thumbnail. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, then let's select. Okay, until now the save is not yet working. Okay, so let's go and try to see the advanced settings. Okay, categories. Okay, people and blogs. Okay, there's one thing that you should always comply with, and that is to select the proper audience. That's to comply with the Children's Online Privacy Protection Act, or COPPA. Okay, that's a new guidelines for us given by YouTube. Okay, so okay, no, it's not made for kids. And okay, let's go back here. As you can see, the save button is not yet working, so you must remember to, okay, clear the cache, clear the data, comply with the new guidelines of YouTube, that is to select the audience, the proper audience. Okay, whether or not it's made for kids or not made for kids. Okay, you just need to select that one. If it doesn't still work, one thing that you should do is, okay, you go to the description and try to edit something. Okay, so written here is Dahua DVR configuration. Let's put the word update. Okay, and let's see if it's going to work. Okay, so add description. Now see that one, the save button now is enabled. So somehow you need to make a little bit of changes, maybe from the description or tags. As long as you made a change, the save button will be enabled. So let's check this out. Okay, now it's working. Okay, all right, so I hope you like this video. I hope you learn something. So if you do like this, please subscribe, comment, and like this channel. Thank you very much.